The truth is, this is a video I don't want to make. My last video was doing so well that I didn't want to put anything in front of it until such time as it had really just worn itself out. But it's got me so many subscribers and so many watch hours. It's by far exceedingly and exceptionally outdoing any other video I've ever made. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers and a very good welcome to all of my new subscribers, which is probably well over 100 since I put that video on, and has took me flying past the 3,000 mark. So that said, the 3,000 mark is a mark where I told you I will be telling you a new and good, some people know it, oil pastel technique. And I will be doing that. But in this video, I'm asking for your help. It's a video I don't really want to make because I really don't agree with it. But everybody else will be doing it, so I'm doing the same. I have entered a competition, an art competition, by Great Art in the UK. And I have been chosen as one of the top 20 entrants. And I'll show you the picture now. Now, that's great in itself, and you know, I cannot begin to tell you how pleased I am that I'm in the top 20. I've been there before, but this seems so much better. One of the gripes I have with many of these art competitions is that you have somebody who potentially may not be able to paint as well as you, and they only like their certain style. And let's be honest, it's usually quirky, abstract type styles that usually get through in these competitions. It doesn't matter how good you are, how adept you are, how technically gifted you are. If you don't splash paint on, you're just not going to get through. And I do get through, but you know, I don't enter because of that. I disagree with the way they charge you £20 to £30 for one painting just for somebody to flick through on a computer screen and say, oh no, I don't like that style, and get rid of it. But this competition with Great Art was a free competition, so I entered it. It's not that I don't mind spending money. I don't mind spending money if it's fair and above board, but I don't feel it is. And I'm not going to waste my time. I can do without the problems. So, that all said, I entered this competition with Great Art, and I'm now in the top 20. And that's brilliant in itself, but it does mean that the top 20 goes to public vote. Now, you are going to get some people that are going to publicly just vote for you. However, this is more of a personality and friendship competition when it gets down to the top 20 and it goes to a public vote, isn't it? Because people just ask for your vote via their social media streams and Facebook and, in my case here, now YouTube. I don't agree with it, but everybody else is doing it, so I've got to. So I'm asking you to please, if you want to, of course, go over to the Great Art website. I'll put all the links down below and vote for my painting. Of course, if you feel it's the best one. There are some people, as a sense of loyalty, that will vote for me anyway, and I thank you so much for that. But if I don't win, I'm not worried, because to me it's just a popularity contest. And if I don't have as many friends as Joe Bloggs down the road, then I'm not going to win, am I? However, I'm asking all my friends to vote for me, just the same way as everybody else will. And I just hope that my painting is the best one there. I think it's quite good, and I think it stands a good chance of winning. But I won't know until it's all over, will I? Now, you only have until August the 8th to vote for me. and it must be in by August the 8th. So please, 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 if you feel you want to vote for me, please do so. The links are down below, and you'll go all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see all the paintings in front of you. If you feel one is better, then by all means vote for that, because it's only fair. But if you'd like to vote for me because you feel mine is the best, or with a sense of loyalty and friendship, then I'm more than happy for you to do that. And you'll go all the way down at the bottom of the page, tick my box, fill in your email address, and that's the end of it. And I will let you know how I've done. Anyway, I'm hoping all of my 3,040 odd subscribers, which I now have, which is absolutely mind-blowing, vote for me. And I just wish they could find a better way of doing these competitions. I don't enter many of them because I disagree entirely with the way they do them. And I disagree with spending money just for somebody to look on a computer screen and say, oh, that's not my style. But in this case, I stand a good chance of winning. I'm in the top 20. And fingers crossed, hey. Fingers crossed. I'll let you know. So please vote for me, and I will see you in the next video. I'd like to say hello to all of my members and to all of my new subscribers. So I'll catch you in the next video. And until next time, please have yourselves a great day, a great week and a great year. And bye for now.